These simple cartoon videos are getting millions of views and making their creators thousands of dollars every month. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment, advanced editing skills, or a big team to create them. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process of making viral AI cartoon videos from scratch. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll cover everything from generating scenes to creating the final video. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Now, all the prompts used in this video are available in the document linked in the description below. First, open the document and copy the first prompt. Next, head over to ChatGPT and simply paste the prompt and send it. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete cartoon story for you. If you want a different type of story, you can easily modify the prompt and describe the story you want. Once your story is ready, go back to the document and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and send it. This prompt will turn your story into a visual storyboard. When the storyboard is generated, simply download it to your device. Now, go to Google Flow. Upload the storyboard image you just downloaded by clicking Upload Media. Next, return to the document and copy the third prompt. Paste it into Google Flow and then open the settings. Choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok and Shorts. Set the video count to 1, select OmniFlash, and save the settings. Once everything is ready, send the prompt. Google Flow will ask for approval and show the credit cost. Approve it, and your video generation will begin.
12 seconds later.
Within a few moments, your cartoon video will be ready in high quality. As you can see, the final result follows the storyboard perfectly. You can repeat this process to create multiple stories, generate multiple storyboards, and produce complete 2 to 3 minute cartoon videos. You can even use the same method to create ads for brands and businesses. It's a simple process, and once you understand it, you can create videos very quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI content creation tutorials.